What's going on? It's your boy Crispy. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a second world that you can only access if you have the right amount of coins. So, not made by me, and credit to its rightful owner, which is Ice Wolf Fun. You guys probably know of and heard of this person. If you haven't, that's alright. But today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simulator door. Alright, here we go. Let's start. So you want to go into your toolbox and you want to click on your level door. So we'll put our door right here. Let's delete our walls because it's going to get in the way, but we can add them back when we're done. Actually, we could just move them. That's a much smarter idea. So we'll just move our walls. Here we go, nil. Here's our doors group. So the instructions are to ungroup this all into its named location. So replicate storage will go into replicate storage. Here we go. Let me show you. If I go to replicate storage, we'll drag and drop it to replicate storage. So we're going to ungroup, and then we're going to do the same thing over and over again. And ungroup in workspace. Oops, that's up here. So you can right click and press ungroup. Okay, you have it all done. This is literally the whole door. This is literally all you have to do. But if you want to change your settings, like your currency name, so when you get this package, it comes with a leader stat script. So you want to actually delete this because we already have our leader stats. See, it's called money. So we can just delete this. You're gonna press settings because this is your configuration. So whether you made your currency, coins, money, cash, kills, whatever, this is going to be the value of money. So my money, of course, is called coins. In the series, it's going to be called coins. Here we go. So this is all the colors. These are all what happens when the door color after you buy it, it's going to be green, of course, because you can go through it. But you can always change that. I'll make it blue because I like blue, because blue is one of my favorite colors. So there we go. Door color before buy. If it's enough money, it'll be a nice shade of blue. Door text color if it's not enough money, and that I won't touch. So that's pretty much the door you have. You can change how much it costs. So if you click on first door, the value is 500. So you can always change that. This is how much. So if I made it 1,000, this would be how much it would cost to get through. If I didn't have enough, then it wouldn't work. So let's test this out. Here we go. So it says over here my coin stats is 6 million. Yeah. So see, it's blue when I can buy it. So when I do buy it, so say I when you get close to it, a GUI will pop up. See, and the X button works, and you can't go through the door unless you buy it. So if I buy this for 1,000, it'll subtract 1,000 and also turn blue or whatever color you selected. You can go through it now, and it's actually pretty cool, guys. So now we're gonna work on a second map for you guys. So you need to select your base plate. I'm gonna unlock it. So select your base plate, and then you're gonna drag it, or duplicate first, then drag here. So this is pretty much the second world. So pretty much what this is becoming is, this is more becoming a simulator now. So it's all coming piece to piece. All right, so now we can change the color of the map, but obviously I'm gonna change it to a little blue. What should I do? I'll do a snow material since it's winter where I live. So as you can see, I want this to be sideways. Yes. Alright, so now I'm just gonna even this out. Okay, so here we go. This is literally the second world that we could make. You guys can make walls so they can't exploit, but yeah. So to make a duplicate wall now, to make a duplicate door, you're gonna go into doors, and it says first door. You're gonna duplicate it and call it second door. So make sure you move it out, because I had this problem for a while, but I figured this out. It's actually 2 in 1 now since you duplicated the part. So you're gonna put it here, and then you're gonna go down, and where it says first door, you're just gonna duplicate this and name it second door, the same one as the one from above, or it's not gonna work if you don't name it as the one of the name of the part. So then you can change the price. I'll make it 5,000. I just realized this while editing the video, as you can tell. I just realized that people were asking how to make a simulator drawer, but not only the same noob, but with more health. And if you are a beginner scripter like most of us here, you can press this button, you can press your noob, and then you can scroll down and you can press your humanoid. Then you can scroll all the way down and you see hit height. Yeah, you can do the walk speed, you can do the max health and health. You can, if you try making the health 1000, it won't work because the max health is at 100. So you have to set the max health at 1000 first before setting it to 1000. To make something really slow, you have to press walk speed, and you can make it 2000 walk speed, which obviously I'm not going to do. I'll make it 30 walk speed. And then you can add NPCs that give more cash on kill. And I can teach that real quick because I feel like most of you will forget. So we can call this little guy, we'll just call him Noob 2. Noob 2. Okay, so this Noob 2 is the second world's noob. We can, on money kill, we can increase the value of how much money it will give, and we can make it give 1,000 cash on kill. So now there's advanced noobs in the world, on the better world. So we can duplicate this, and this should work. So let's test this out, guys, and let's hope this works. So also selecting this will create a big border. That's fine, it's totally normal. To select them, you just gotta go into the group itself and select them from there. Yeah, guys, this is super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe because you guys can't miss out on these awesome videos. So let's hit play and test this out. Alright, now let's test it. Just a heads up, guys, this actually saves. So as you can see, we already bought this door, so it saves, so you don't have to buy it again. It's actually pretty incredible, right? So you don't have to worry about buying it again. And I will cut the video because this is going to take forever to get to. So let me just test this noob. And as you can see, it gave me 1,000 cash, and I have enough to buy that new door. Alright, now let's test this door. We're going to get close to it. And yes, I want to buy it. So it works, guys. It's completely free. Use this model. It's awesome. Shout out to my boy Ice Lego Fun and everyone else who suggested this video. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. I like fried chicken, and make sure to subscribe because if you guys subscribe, it actually motivates me to make videos, and it's actually really fun to make these videos for you guys. So if you guys have any ideas and suggestions, make sure to comment them in this comment section. I may not be doing a shop because tons of YouTubers have already covered that by now, and I think it's kind of pointless to do that. So yeah, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Crispy, and I'm out.